Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. Right now I'm kind of mad, but other than that, I'm blessed. Amen. Any day above and not under is a blessed day. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Now I know I got my bonnet on and everything. Y'all, I lost my video. Did a seafood video. It's gone. Don't know what happened. And I'm really kind of ticked right now. So, it's one of them days. But I'm still standing. I will not feel defeated. And I will not let the devil think he done won. I'll be. You know what I'm saying? That ain't gonna happen around here. So. We doing a quick burping video. Ooh. Come on, child. I gotta chug these down and try to see if I can get something out of them. Y'all, it's one.
We got a cupcake little bag at least. Excuse me.
All that frosting. A lot.
I know, I really got buttercream. I like the way it looks.
Man, y'all, in that video I lost, man, me and my baby, we was burping up a storm. It wasn't ginormous burps in there, and it's gone. That just hurt my soul.
It hurt mine too.
It hurt my soul.
I was really ready to edit it and just put it up.
Y'all just don't know how it hurt my soul, like, but you know, I still gotta put something up. I still gotta do something and get something out. I do a video every day, and I gotta put something.
And today is no exception.
It ain't coming.
If I end up covering it, I will put it up though.
Oh.
If by some miracle God bestows us that video.
And you know I'm full, right? So it's
She
like
on camera with a bonnet on, y'all. It's real.
Y'all don't want to see what's up over here. I know that's for sure.
Anyone who watched our first live.
That'll be a video in itself, baby. That evil darn out here looking a mess. I could just imagine. Who gives a crap? Like I care what anybody got to say. Miss me with that. I'm trying. I am truly trying. So what's new, y'all? Tell me, talk to me. I'm trying to.
You're not live, you know that, right?
I know. It's okay. Because I got some eyelashes right there that's bugging me. You know, I gotta wait. You know what I'm saying? I gotta sit and wait a little bit. Right, and let it bubble up down there. And she over there trying to burp too. No, I'm gonna be running to the bathroom every 2 seconds with all this soda.
Comment down below if you stand with that same problem.
Y'all, just, I mean, like, I don't know where the video went. I'm gonna cry tonight. No. I'ma sing my song of praises to the Most High. Okay. Have mercy, child.
You gotta wait on that.
I know. It's like, it's a waiting game right now. And y'all had cupcakes in the bathroom and stuff on the floor. What's going on? Don't care. Yeah, my two oldest was downstairs. I got her cake today. You see, I ate one cupcake. They was downstairs playing. My daughter, you and Shanika. She caked her.
I got my face shoved with a pink cupcake.
Right. So I go in the bathroom and there's cupcake on my floor. So I had to clean up y'all mess. Why? Child, please. You feel my dilemma, y'all? Kids.
Today is a dilemma.
Mm-hmm.
No, actually, it's like 3 hours have been a dilemma. That's pretty much it. Everything's been pretty standard in my day.
No, because my back started hurting. And it's like, I'm like, why is my back hurting? I don't know. But
I got these little baby birds.
I know, and I'm trying to, y'all. Okay, let's go about this again. Foodie fam, I love y'all. Y'all better know that. I love y'all. I wouldn't be up trying to do this right now. I would have just said forget it. But, you know, I ain't trying to disappoint. I ain't trying to disappoint y'all because, you know, y'all know I put out content every day. And I'm not going to let nothing stop me. Period, point blank. Nothing. No distractions. No nothing. And she over there can't tip back because I'm talking. Yes, I am speaking and I don't care who want to be. I really don't care right about now. So, I mean, yeah. I'm ranting and I don't care. Hey, it is what it is. I'm trying to wait for a good little burp, but you know, sometimes you gotta drink, let it sit down there and do what it need to do. And then, cause I could feel it, I could feel something coming. There we go. And that's what I'm talking about. You know, it takes time to come out. It takes time. You can't rush the burp.
Yeah, that's a fact.
You cannot rush the burp.
If you rush the
so
burp.
if I'm gonna rush it, then you're not gonna get a burping video. You're just gonna get these little small little itty bitty things. Yeah. But if I want a good, you know, few little good burps in between here and there, I gotta take my time. So it's either or. Hey, I know somebody gonna timestamp it, so y'all gonna get to the point where you need to be. But in between time, I'm talking. Okay. Who was that? That was you? I just heard a burp. That was you, yeah? No.
It wouldn't have been so faint, trust me.
You've been over there,
Still more burps than you.
There you go. I don't know why she ain't sitting over here. It was supposed to be usums, but it ended up to be me'em.
Oh, I'm here. My voice is here. My burps are here. Y'all got this YouTube video. As y'all can tell by my mama. You mad? Is you mad?
Y'all don't want to
Are
know.
you upset?
Y'all don't want to know what's going through my mind.
Your
right
lids look so glossy. Like, boy, what was you doing? Like, rubbing some Vaseline on?
You hating on my lids, child?
Actually, glossy lids was like a makeup trend for a little minute.
Okay, well.
And you get it naturally.
Right. Right.
What are you doing? Are you blending it out?
I'm massaging it. I'm massaging it. It needs some.
No, you blended it in.
You know.
No.
You do. You know.
No.
It's. They say you got these dark circles around your eye, whatever. It's your blood not circulating. That's what they say. So you need to, just gently rub it.
Get some sleep.
Gently rub it. No, I need to go get a facial. That's what I need. I have not been to the spa in like forever and a day. It's about that time. I think I'm due for one. It's been a minute. I think the last time I've been to the spa, I was in California. And I've been to, I forgot the email is still in, I get their emails still. Yeah, and it's been a few years since I've been to California, and that's a daggone shame. You gotta take care of yourself. And I haven't been doing that. So, yeah. Right. Gotta take care of me, child. Who gonna do it for me? Okay, y'all. Ain't nothing more coming up. You got anything else over there? All right, Foodie fam. I will see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we'll figure out something. 'Cause I don't know what's going on. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Love you guys.